Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And what's that first thing that comes into your mind when you're really hungry? I always think of cheesy sandwich. So let me show you how to prepare this cafe style triple layered melt in the mouth cheesy sandwich. So for this, first up in a large mixing bowl, I'm taking one onion which is finely chopped. Next, I'm using one tomato which is also finely chopped but it's de-seeded just to avoid the sandwich from getting soggy. Followed by some different colored capsicum. You can choose to use any capsicums you have available. Next goes in some boiled corns. And then I'm adding 100 grams of paneer in small pieces. It's completely optional, but I'd like to add some protein in my sandwich always. That's why I'm using this. If you want, you can also add some mushrooms or cooked chicken if you wish to. Next goes in some salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half to 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano or mixed herb seasoning, and mix everything well. And then I'm adding about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. So today I'm using this eggless light mayonnaise which I had handy. If you want, you can also use some cheese spread instead just to make it more cheesy. But I think mayonnaise will give a good base and moisture to the sandwich. But do not add too much, just 3 to 4 tablespoons of it, and mix everything really well. And now I'm going to divide this mixture into two different bowls just to give that two different flavors in both the layers. So in the first bowl I'm adding 2 tablespoons of pizza pasta sauce along with some red chili sauce. You can add tomato sauce, you can add Szechuan sauce, you can use combination of Szechuan chutney sauces, whichever you like, any red layer, whichever you like. Mix it nicely. And in the second bowl, I'm using 2 to 3 teaspoons of green chutney, mint and coriander chutney. Mix that as well and keep it aside. Next here I've taken 3 bread slices. I'm going to apply some butter on all of them. And next, see what I'm doing here. I'm going to toast one of the bread slices as this is the middle slice of the sandwich just to prevent it from getting soggy. So toast it on both the sides, apply a little more butter on this side and just toast it for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's nicely golden brown and crunchy, and this will act as the middle bread for the sandwich. It's done enough. I'm going to keep it aside. And now let's start layering the sandwich. Take the first bread slice, apply a thick layer of the orange layer. It's looking so tempting as it is. Followed by some regular processed cheese. You can use any cheese, cheddar cheese, whichever cheese you like. Next goes in layer of mozzarella cheese. Again, I'm using some grated mozzarella cheese. Then goes in this toasted bread slice, and again a thick layer of this green filling. Some more processed cheese, some more mozzarella cheese, followed by the last bread slice. Press it slightly and then apply a thin layer of butter on this top bread, followed by a thin layer of mayonnaise. So this will act as a base for all the cheeses which are going to come next on top of this. And then I'm placing a cheese slice. You can also use some processed cheese, grated also, but I'm using a cheese slice because I like it. Followed by again some mozzarella cheese, more or less however you wish to. Some herbs on top like some red chili flakes and little bit of oregano. And look at this beautiful sandwich. It's ready to go into the oven, but today we are preparing without the oven. For this, I've preheated this kadai. Keep this on lowest flame and then I'm going to smear some butter and carefully place the sandwich. And then I'm going to cover it with the lid and cook it on the lowest flame for about 8 to 9 minutes or until the cheese is nicely melted and bubbly. After about 9 minutes, my sandwich is almost done. You can see, guys, you can just make it out. The cheese is so nicely melted, bubbly on top. It's so gooey, it's to die for. My mouth is watering as it is. So let me take it out and show you how it looks from inside. But before cutting, let me tell you, if you want to bake this in the oven, you can bake at 200 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 9 minutes or until the cheese is melted. Let me open and show you. Oh my god. Guys, you can see this cheesy sandwich. This is perfectly cooked. This is perfectly crunchy and this is perfectly cheesy. What more you can ask for if you're really hungry? So guys, if you really enjoyed watching this video today, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you soon in the next coming video. Until next time, bye bye.